I'm gonna smell Taffeta's face so that I can get a whiff of her big strawberry scented belch. Ooh-wee! That is a strong scent of strawberries.
And the burp goes wild. Even from over here, I can still smell your burp, Taffeta. Candlehead's burp smells like mint chip ice cream. Vanellope, I can smell your burp, and it does not stink. Violet, what did you do that for? Why did you belch at my face? I bet Dash will love this.
Adorabeezel, your burp smells like blue raspberry, and it never stinks. I'm gonna release brown clouds in front of Jubilina, and she will get a whiff of that.
Gloyd, that's awesome, but still, it stinks. Oh, I got something for you too.
Jubilina, your burp smells like cherries, and your breath does not stink.
And a 1, and a 2, and a 1, 2, 3, 4.
Minty, your burp smells like sour apples, and it does not stink.
Yep, my scented burp does not stink, 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 stink. Candlehead, your burp smells like mint chip ice cream, and it never stinks. That's right, I'm not a halitosis cupcake, and I do not stink. Cupcakes do not stink.
Taffeta's burp smells good, and it does not stink. Strawberry breath.
Adorabeezel, your breath smells like blue raspberry. That's right, and it does not stink. I fell into a burping ring of belch, and I went down, 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 and the burp went wild. Crumbleina, your burp smells like tiramisu. Violet, your hair's tickling my nose. And a 1, and a 2, and a 1, 2, 3, 4. I can feel the vibration from her burp. My belch smells like candy.